Let's talk about wedges. A lot of golfers end up with a wedge shaft, right? This is a generic type of steel shaft that you're convinced that this is what you need. No, I firmly am against that. I make sure that my shafts are the same all the way from my lob wedge all the way up to my longest iron. You're going to get used to a certain weight and a certain feel, and you want that responsiveness in your hands definitely in your short game. And you don't want to be going from, like I have a 110 in the graphite, I don't want to go to a 125 in some random steel wedge flex. You want to ask your fitter and your professional to get you set up into the same shaft all the way through the bag. Some players out on tour will actually kind of soften up their wedges a little bit, especially in their short game wedges, not so much their full swing wedges. So what I've got here is my 56 degree. This is one where that becomes the crossover. I might use it for short game shots, but I'm also going to use it for full swing. So what I've done is I've made sure that this shaft is the same as the rest of my full swing irons. So I'll set up and hit a little bit of a pitch shot for you. 56 degree, play it back in the stance, close the face, very similar to what I just explained in my Stinger video. And as I go through, I'm just going to hold my hands forward, right there. So what I found with these wedges is that responsiveness, that recoil, exactly what it says on the shaft, is what I'm looking for. When I transitioned from steel to graphite, I wanted to make sure that I had that exact same feeling, but yet I needed a lighter weight product that was also going to have less vibration, was going to make my broken hand feel better.